guys, my name is Herminio Torres. I am the New York market manager for Ilegal Mezcal, as well as the founder for Humans 4. I'm here with my lovely mom. We're going to cook, well, she's going to cook for you a recipe that I ate growing up. Comfort food, specifically for now where times are tough and we need some comfort. This is like the chicken noodle soup for the soul for us growing up. It's called sopa aguada, which translates to runny soup. Yeah, let's get to it.
Necesitamos 3 tomates rojos, agua al gusto, pero yo le pongo 6. Unas papitas rojas, 2 papas, pero es al gusto. Un pedazo de cebolla. La pasta de letra, el aceite, la sal.
Podemos usar chicken stock, ¿no? ¿Cómo se dice?
Chicken stock, ¿no Suiza o no?
Yeah, you can get these chicken stocks, like chicken stock cubes that
Like
will
cubes.
melt into
Yes.
what you're making. So another reason we decided to go with this today was we are, for Humans 4, doing care packages for Mixteca Group, which helps feed the Latino community in Sunset Park. And some of these items you find in these weekly boxes. I personally selected these items because of that home comfort factor, where, you know, it's easily accessible produce that just with some time in the kitchen really warms your heart. Antes de que comencemos,
Ok.
nos tomamos una agüita fresca de tamarindo para el sistema de visita.
Gracias.
Ahora que ya estoy grande, ya podemos tomar, pues cuando estaba chiquito solo la sopa. It's hot out there, I could chug this all down right now. Bueno, ¿qué preparamos primero? ¿Qué cortamos primero?
Se necesitan 3 tomates rojos, pero es al gusto. Si no les gusta con mucho tomate, pónganle 1, pónganle 2.
¿Y usted recomienda el plum tomato?
Plum tomato es mejor, para mí es mejor.
You're gonna need 6 cloves of garlic,
La cebolla al gusto.
about a third of a
Pedazo.
white onion.
Ok. Ahora necesitamos agua. Le pueden poner espinaca también, brócoli, lo que ustedes gusten. A veces le daba yo con espinacas, porque quería hacer como Popeye.
Now she's just out to embarrass me, guys.
La vamos a partir en cuadritos.
I think my fondest memory of making this soup, she would usually make this after school in the winter. And after school is usually around 3 o'clock. At 5 p.m., Primer Impacto would go on. At 5:19, Walter Mercado would come on. And she would cook the soup. She would tell me to run to the living room, put up the volume all the way up. I would eat my soup. That would be her way of shutting me up, and she would listen to her horoscope. ¿Cuál es su memoria comiendo sopa aguada cuando usted estaba creciendo?
Muy buena memoria, hijo. Eso es lo que me daba mi madre. Cuando yo me acuerdo cómo preparaba mi madre la sopita. Ok, ahora vamos a prenderle, a freír la pasta.
Just add regular canola oil. She says to your liking. Remember, this is a Mexican mom recipe, which means it's trial and error until you get it like she gets it.
Le ponemos las papitas. Le vamos a poner el tomate.
Smells so good.
Un poco con la lumbre baja. Le vamos a agregar una cucharadita de caldo de pollo para
Some-
que le dé,
Chicken stock powder.
para que le dé un sabor a pollo. No mucha sal. Ok. La vamos a cocinar a fuego lento. 15 minutos va a estar lista para comerse. Le tengo que agregar una poca de agua más, ¿ok? Ahora sí, esperar a que esté listo. Y cuando la papa ya está suave, ya está la sopa lista. Ahora vamos a probarla. Deliciosa,
Taking them home for sure.
muy deliciosa. Del gallo a su mesa.